What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done one of these videos. We've just been going live every single day, been taking care of my daughter, but anyways, we're back at it again. Here looks like a swing trader's dream, actually almost dream. So we did have one test, we came up, and then we had a second test, been holding support down at these low levels for a while. This is beta, B-E-T-A. So, looking at your weekly, you can tell we're in neutral territory. Well, bearish control zone, but working our way up to neutral territory. We have stochastic that is flatlined because of the lack of price action. But if we come down to the daily, this is where some of the magic's starting to happen. You can see buyers have been coming in here trying to buy it up, Looks like the sellers have just been trying to sell it off. Buyers have been defending this level like no other. And now we have finally put in our first higher low. So this actually is a very good spot, in my opinion. This is never financial advice, where you can start seeing a nice little trend up. This is beautiful to see. Absolutely beautiful. Last time you got a higher low, you had a low, higher low, you shot up to this level here. So my guess, that could happen again. And considering all the bullishness that we've had in the market, also it happens to be Moonvember, I got some high hopes here. Coming down to your 4-hour time frame, this is actually what caught my interest, is the fact that we have extremely tight moving averages on the 4-hour. This piques my interest on any chart. So when you do have tight moving averages on a significant time frame, like the daily or the 4-hour, it usually acts like a spring. So you'll see prices skyrocket out of there. So just a little fair warning if you're ever looking for a quick trade, look for those tight moving averages. But where's my, there it is. But you can see here we not only broke above our resistance, we back tested it as support. Now we're into all these moving averages and it looks like they're holding. This is a very good sign for me, so I can actually make another trend line based off of that. So as long as we stay above this trend, also full transparency, I am in on this trade. So I do have a bias while looking at this. I think it's going to go up. But yeah, so getting the higher low, holding support, this is all very good stuff. When we go into your 1-hour time frame, you can see we had a huge bullish engulfing candle, and then we got a little overheated on our stochastic, so of course we need that to cool off. We were already high from here, so now that we're back testing these lows, bringing the stochastic back down, it's basically giving it some fuel so it can start moving up, which I like. Anyways, a long story short, I'm looking to go up and test overhead resistance. More than likely, we'll test the second level, sitting at 6208, which from where we're sitting right now, that is a 40% rise. And the best part could happen in a single day. So I do like these types of trades. You're in, you're out, and then you get to choose something different. But if you're looking to hold for the long term, this is kind of the area you would be accumulating as well. Because once again, if we zoom out to the weekly, you are in your lowest area of accumulation. This is an area in which you would accumulate, and you would be looking for absolute massive gains if the trend does work its way back up to these candles up here. Currently it is trading at 4.397 cents, and at its all-time high it was $4.75. Getting back to those prices, it's a few X's. It's kind of good. I mean, somebody might say it's 1,000X, but you know, could be lying. Anyways, just looking at the chart, looking at everything, I felt like this video was totally meant for you. And if you do like this style of content, please like and subscribe. Also, take a little minute, go down to the description down below, and maybe join the Discord. It's a great place to be. If you have any chart requests, I have a tab specific for that, so you can actually request whatever chart you want, get my insight on it. I will never give you direct advice because I am not a financial advisor, but I will give you another set of eyes to look at it. It's kind of like when you go to a doctor and you're asking for a second opinion. I'm like the mechanic down the street who'll tell you you're fine. Jokes all aside, if you are looking for an exchange to trade and you're in the US and you're like, I need something with no KYC, we are affiliated with both Weeks as well as Buy DeFi. So both of those exchanges, no KYC required. There's no VPN required. Very good daily withdrawal limits. And you do have great bonuses on both of them. And then on top of that, we have a couple other links for other exchanges in there you can check out. And it helps out the channel greatly if you do use those exchanges. But yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys have a fantastic weekend planned out. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Keep those stop losses tight. Also, big announcement, I'm going to have copy trading starting next week on the Weeks exchange. So if you want a chance to make some passive income based off my trades, then yeah, you can do that too. Anyways, join the community. It's a great place to be. Let's take full advantage of this bull market. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.